Good evening, Pinellas County. This is row 4 of adoptions, starting with kennel 136. These are the dogs that are available for adoption on Thursday the 24th. This is Boss. Boss is a handsome boy. Curled up for the night is Pretty. She's 4 in kennel 135. Ethel is new to adoptions in 134, 10 months old, sweet girl. She was over in 200. An empty kennel, hooray, hurrah. Bravo, who was in isolation, and Bravo had kennel cough, and he's back. Shepherd mix, Brindle, 5 months old, quite handsome. Mandy. Hey, Mandy, you want to turn around? Thank you. Hi, sweetheart. She is a 1.5 years in kennel 131. In kennel 130 is Huey. You want to sing for me? We can do a Huey Lewis song. Huey is, of course, a boy at 1 year old. London, oh wow, look at this. London's cage is empty and the paperwork's gone. I bet she got adopted. Hooray! And in kennel 128 for row 4 is a 3-year-old Aldi. You remind me of Mascara Eyes that was here a few months ago. Aldi is, of course, a boy, 3 years old. Heart rate negative. He's in 128. Look at that tail going. You've got mascara eyes, so please come to Pinellas County Animal Services and adopt your next forever pet. We are overloaded with dogs, and we would love to be able to give them to you and for you to love. Thank you.